Our focus is on factorization of binomial expression. Binomial expressions. Examples. 1. Factorize 12c plus 6d. Solution. Before you can solve this problem, we want to factorize 12c plus 6d. To factorize this, we need to determine the HCF of 12c and 6d. That's the first thing to do. That is the highest common factor. That's the full meaning of HCF. Now let's find the HCF of 12c and 6d. 12c and what? 6d. Then we use our table approach, the tabular approach. What number will divide 12c and 6d? We can, apart from 1, we can use what? 2. Without any remainder. 12 divided by 2, we have 6. So we have 6c. Then 6 divided by 2, we have 3. So we have 3d. And what number will divide 6 and 3 again? We can use 3. 3 is a factor of 6 and 3 is a factor of 3. So 6c rather divided by 3 will give us what? 2c. And 3d divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we have d here. Now 2c and d. The only factor that is common to them is 1. And we are not interested in 1. So it means that the HCF of, that is the HCF that we are going to have from here is going to be what? 2 times 3. And that is 6. That is the HCF of 12c and 6d is equals to 6. Now let's factorize. We have 12c plus 6d. How do we factorize? We bring out the HCF. Then we use the HCF to divide each term in the expression you have to factorize. What's the first term here? 12c. Then you divide by the HCF. You bring out the HCF, use the HCF to divide each term. Divide by 6 plus the next term you have was 6d. Then you also divide by the what? HCF. That's the principle of factorizing. So now in this case, we have 6 into bracket what? 6 here, 1, 6 in 12. That is 12 divided by 6. What do we have? 2. So we have 2c here. Plus, now, 6 divided by 6. 6 here, 1. 6 here, we have 1. So here we have plus 1d. And you can also write it as 6 into 2c plus d. Instead of writing 1d, it's same thing as d. So that is the solution to the problem. Thank you.